morning everyone. My name is Natasha Chirania and today in this video, me and my group members are going to present a project on the topic how to find the formula of surface area of a cube and a cuboid using cardboard and also to explain the total surface area and the lateral surface area. Now at the start of this video, we will like to let you know that the following video was made taking all the necessary precautions to maintain social distancing norms. So without further delay, let's get into the video and know how to make a cuboid and a cube using cardboard.
How do we find the surface area of a cuboid? This three-dimensional shape is called a cuboid, which is bounded by rectangles all sides. The most important thing that we should know about a cuboid is that it is defined by its length, breadth and height. We call them L, B and H respectively. Now, we should know how its surface area is calculated. Its surface area is the sum of the areas of 6 rectangles. We look at each rectangle closely. The rectangle we see at the front area will be L multiplied by h. And the area of the rectangle at the back will also be L into h. So, the sum of these two will be LH plus LH. Let's remove these two now. The area of the rectangle at the bottom will be L into B. The area of the rectangle at the top will be the same as that of the bottom. This sum will be LB plus LB. Now let us take to the another side. We got the areas of the front, back, top and the bottom. What remains is the side faces. The sum of the areas of the side rectangle will be BH plus BH. Area of the rectangle will be base into height. Look at each group. This will be 2LH, this will be 2LB and this will be 2BH. So, for a cuboid of L, H and B as the dimensions, the surface area will be 2LH plus 2LB plus 2BH. As 2 is the common factor of all the terms, we write it as 2 into LH plus LB plus BH. That's how the simple surface area is. With the surface area, there is a concept of lateral surface area, which is also common as CSA. Remember, one simple thing, lateral means side. This would actually mean surface area of a cuboid with the side. This one, this one, this one and the one at the back. As surface area, we can see lateral as the area except the top and the bottom. The two green and the two red make up the lateral surface area. So, the lateral surface area equals to the sum of the area of these four rectangles. The sum of the green rectangles will be BH plus BH and the sum of the red rectangle will be LH plus LH. The total lateral surface area will be 2 into LH plus BH. Look at this cube. It is easy to see that the cube has 6 sides and each side is equal. Now, to derive the total surface area of a cube, let the length of one side be L since there are 6 equal sides. So, the total surface area of a cube is A square into 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 A square, which is equal to 6A square. Now, we are going to discuss the lateral surface area of a cube. So, here we have a cube. In the cube, we have 4 lateral surfaces. Since the lateral surfaces does not include the top and the bottom sides, so to find the area of the side portion, let us first consider the area of the base of the cube. Here, the area of the base equal to A square. Now, in order to find the lateral surface area of a cube, we have to multiply the number of lateral surface areas into the area of the base. Hence, the lateral surface area of the cube equal 4 into A square equal to 4A square.
So we have came to the end of the project. Now, I would like to thank Monica ma'am, the principal of Happy Convent School, for providing us a platform to showcase our project to all. Next, I would like to thank our maths teacher, Rahman sir, for guiding us throughout the project. Without his guidance, this would not be possible. Thank you.